friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ansible Sikho. This is Ramesh Vishwakarma. In this session, we are going to see the SSH connectivity status as well as enablement from our Ansible controller. So let me tell you these two steps we are going to check. We are going to check whether SSH is enabled, installed on your system, operating system or not, and is it in active state. If it is installed and in active state, we are going to follow the step number 2, where we are going to see the SSH connectivity from Ansible controller node to managed node on port number 22. Ansible controller node is nothing but the node where your Ansible setup is installed, and managed node is nothing but your client side server. Okay. So let's check first of all whether SSH is enabled and the service is active or not. We will check it on the first Ansible controller CentOS 9. So command is systemctl status SSHD. So here, yes, the service is enabled and the presence is also enabled. Okay, so SSH is installed on this particular server. Simply press Q, come out of this. Okay. Now go to CentOS Node 2 server, VM2. Here also systemctl status SSHD. Again, we are getting the same output. Service is enabled and presence is also enabled. Means SSH is perfectly installed. Just forget about this particular connectivity part and logs. It is just showing the connectivity from the remote host. Okay. In our Ubuntu server, we are going to see the systemctl status SSHD. Again, we are getting the same error, same message is service is enabled and its presence is also enabled. It means that on all our 3VM SSH connectivity is in place. So we are going to see the port 22 reachability here from our Ansible controller. We have two methods where we are using nc-zv command, and another is well-known command is telnet. Okay, so we are going to see the first command, nc space zv. We need IP address, so we are going to simply fetch the IP address like this. I'm getting two IP. I'll select only one IP here. Just because I have two NIC installed, I'm getting two IP here. So put the IP and put port number 22, hit enter. Here you are getting message that connected to port number 22, means this particular IP is successfully reaching on port number 22. Let's get IP from Ubuntu server, host name space -i, right? So again, here I'm getting two IP. I will pick only one IP just because of two NIC. I'm getting two IP. So come here, nc-zv, IP address port 22. Yes, so this particular IP is reaching on port number 22. That is what our requirement is. Now let's see if we have a different port where the port reachability is unsuccessful. So let's see 443, the connection refused. Port 443 on this Ubuntu server. You will get timeout. So this is how you are going to get the result when the port is refusing or is not configured. Okay. So we have a different command as well, telnet, then IP, um, IP address, then port number 22. In your case, if you have a fresh installed operating system, this telnet will not work. You will get the telnet is not available kind of error. In that scenario, you will first have to make sure you are logged in with the root user or the user which is having a root privileges. So simply you will have to type a dnf install telnet -y. Okay. Since I already have the telnet service enabled here, package installed, and I'm logged in with root account, so I'm not going to get any kind of error, but it will say that dependency is resolved, nothing to do, complete. Already installed. Telnet package is already available here. In your case, it will get installed. Okay. So let's say telnet, mm, mm, telnet, then IP, port number 22. Yeah, it is saying that it is connected. Right. Here it is connected. If you want to move out, press Control, closing square bracket. Fine. Press Q, enter. Will come out of it. Then pick second server IP, say telnet IP, port number 22, hit enter. It's connected, right? Press Q, hit enter. So here we have two different family of Linux based operating system. So let's see that as well, because we in future videos I am going to use the same, okay, server, but we have a different family. One belongs to Fedora and second belongs to Debian. Why? Because we are going to use different commands based on family type. So here let me show you cat etc os. So CentOS belongs to Fedora family. Okay, so we have CentOS belongs to different family, and Ubuntu belongs to different family. Etc OS release. Yeah, so you can see here Debian. I'm sorry, I apologize for the error. Debian. Okay, so we have a different families here. So based on the family type, we are going to execute a command using playbook. Okay, so that's all in this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.